All right, Robert Gibbs, Obama's first term press secretary.
In working in the White House so long years, what is the #1 gift item that's usually taken out of the White House by like visitors and things like that?
It's actually a great question.
Toilet paper.
Presidential M&Ms.
President semen?
Hand towels in the bathroom.
Playing the feud, #1 answer. Hand towels in the bathroom.
Maybe the M&Ms.
The M&Ms? Oh, okay, don't.
Where are M&Ms?
They come in a little blue box. Everybody who's like in DC who's gone to the White House once walks out with them.
Yeah, but if they give them to you, it's not stealing. I want to steal from the White House. No, I'm serious. I would take a hand towel.
How do you take a hand towel?
You put it in your pocket.
You put a hand towel in your pocket, it's like you got a sweater in there. You're tiny.
You're gonna be like, all right, I'll see you guys later. I gotta get off now.
Have a good one.